How to fix Snapchat's notification on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix Snapchat's notifications issue on your Android device. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now you could be having the issue of notifications on your Snapchat app for multiple reasons and not just one. For example, you could have turned on Do Not Disturb mode. So just go ahead and select whether or not you have actually turned on Do Not Disturb mode. If you have turned on, then simply make sure to turn it off. After that, what you can also do is you could just go to the option called settings. Once you open settings, you will see all sorts of various options. Now you just need to go to the option called notifications over here. As you go to notifications here, you want to look for Snapchat and select it. As you look for Snapchat, the very first thing you have to do is to simply make sure to turn this toggle on over here, because if this is turned off, Snapchat will not receive any notifications. Make sure to turn it on over here as well. You want to make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration. So even if you have turned on notifications but it's set to deliver quietly, it's just going to be popped up deliver quietly on the top. So just make sure to allow sound and vibration. You can also go to notification categories over here. Once you go to notification categories, you want to make sure that all of the toggles are basically turned on. You can see notifications of silent notification, quiet notifications, audible notifications, best friend messages, snaps and chats, quiet notifications, and others so on. So you want to just make sure to turn these toggles on over here. If it's turned off, you will not receive one of these notifications. And hopefully this helps solve your problem of notifications issues of Snapchat on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.